Storm Tracker 9 weather with Chief Meteorologist Justin Stapleton.
All right, some sprinkles early this morning here across the southern Willamette Valley. Otherwise, we've seen the clouds stick around most of the day. They've been a little pesky, a little more than what I'd like for sure. Certainly kept us in the 50s today as opposed to the low 60s. And we'll still keep things mild, but we've got to get this cloud cover out of here in order to really get those temperatures up. Now, what we also need to watch for as we go in towards the next couple of days is a chance for some isolated thunderstorms to start popping in. What are the ingredients that we need for that? Well, we've got a couple in place. You need lots of moisture. Check, got that. There's the ocean. We also need a good southerly flow as well to kind of get an air mass moving up across the Cascades. Check, got that too. Got a couple of those out there. Third thing we need, the one that will be difficult, is what's called instability. And it's basically created by a temperature differential, and that is what we're really lacking of right now. We've got pretty mild temperatures across the surface here, pretty mild temperatures up in the higher parts of the atmosphere too. So if we do get some sunshine tomorrow because of the sort of unstable nature of the air moving up from the south, that may be enough to trigger a few. Today, that was not the case. Widespread, this is a snapshot of about an hour ago. We had a little localized area of low pressure, and that's where you saw that rain band moving through, kind of connecting with that as it moved its way across the northern end of the valley. So far today, we saw everybody top out in the mid to upper 50s. Still sitting at 55 right now in Roseburg, just a tad cooler than that out at North Bend. 53 here in Eugene, still looking at a few light sprinkles popping up on our storm tracker sweep so far. 37 on top of Willamette Pass and 46 out in Bend. So overnight tonight, I'm going to keep a mention of an isolated passing shower. I think it'll mainly be sprinkles, but we'll keep it in there. With the winds above the surface strongly out of the south, that's going to keep those temperatures up, similar to what we saw this morning at around 45. I actually had that graphic incorrect. 45 is what we started with this morning. It will likely sit at that number as we head towards tomorrow as well. 60 out in Pendleton today, so they saw a little bit of sunshine. Same thing as you go further south down the I-5. Here in the valley, though, the low clouds hung on most of the day. So there's our first little low. This one will actually generate a few light showers or rain bands anyway late tonight and early tomorrow. Stronger ones going to start to come south and kind of cannibalize that one. And you see the winds with the jet stream all up out of the south. As that one gets a little closer, it's going to have a little better dynamics with it, meaning that we've got a better chance for some more widespread showers and also for some thunderstorms as well. So as we go overnight tonight into tomorrow, things are quiet, but a nice little flare up, especially across the Coast Range tomorrow afternoon. Now, there's a slight chance we could get some of these to slide into the valley too, or down towards the Umpqua. So we'll keep watch of that over the next couple of days. And the good news is, though, once those move out of the way by Friday, we'll keep the warm air in place, and we should be able to clear out the clouds, which will likely push some folks up close to 70 degrees by Saturday. We're going to see a fairly nice looking weekend forecast for Easter weekend. So the coast will see the temperatures in the low to mid 40s or 50s, that is. Scattered shower chances tomorrow. Thursday, we'll be wrapping up Friday, and then Saturday and Sunday we'll see that system move into Northern California. Think it will be far south enough that it should keep us dry, but we'll keep a mention of some drizzle out towards the coast. In the Umpqua Basin, scattered showers, temperatures the low 60s tomorrow. Do think that's one of the spots that'll be pushing close to 70 by Saturday. And then again, the clouds return, but looks like we should stay dry for Easter. In the Cascades, some isolated thunderstorms. Temperatures there and in Bend and Redmond on the mild side, same story. See a few flare-ups late afternoons both Wednesday and Thursday and overnight into early Friday before we dry out for the weekend. And finally here in the valley, scattered showers, temperatures around 60 for tomorrow. And I do think we'll be one of the spots that will be warm as well. It all depends on the clouds, guys. More clouds we have Saturday, have to back the temperatures off a bit. A little more sunshine, maybe pushing close to that 70-degree mark.
We'd like it.
Wouldn't that be great?
Thanks, Justin.
You bet.